Come and explore the pleasures of Crete with us as we head off on the fun train. Aegean Marina. Got all the lovely shops. And we're about to go on the fun train. So the fun train is based in Aegean Marina in Chania. You can get on and off at lots of different stops. You can find that on the Fun Train website. I've popped that in the link below. Come with us today and find out what it's like to go on the Pleasures of Crete tour. We're going to be off up high into the Crete villages. We're off to see how olive oil is made. We're super excited about that, and also to see 17th century monastery. A few stops to pick up some more people coming on the fun train. This tour did not disappoint at all. The views were stunning. We've seen beautiful villages and some gorgeous blue water views. If you are afraid of heights, we go up a little bit high, but I am scared, and I was absolutely fine, just to reassure. So watch this video if you want to see what it's like to come on this tour. We are going to give you a little glimpse of the pleasures of Crete.
Side where the Greek Special Forces and paratroopers train, and for this reason we have some photographs are taken of the base.
As you can see, this rocky landscape was breathtaking. We were almost at the monastery by this point, so come on inside and see what it's like. Back on the fun train we go.
For 20 minutes. The time now is 12:05, so at 12:25 we'll be getting back on the train and heading to your next destination. Within the village we have the mini market on the left hand side, perfect for local produce, the skincare and ice cream, and there's 2 tavernas as well if you'd like opposite.
This high up village was such a gem. I'll post a picture of us trying a little of the local honey. Next stop, we're off to the Crete factory to find out the process of how olive oil is made. We're super excited about this one. Come and join us and see a little along the way. Experiencing this and being there firsthand to see how olive oil is made was so interesting and made us think so much about the kinds of oil that we want to be consuming. At the end of this tour, you do get a little taste of the terracotta oil with some olives and some bread, which was such a lovely end to this trip.